They call me Sam, don't ask where I've been or what I've done. Just know this, I'm here now. I am Galassi Sam Angela G. My future profession will be cruise ship steward. I will provide an excellent customer service, ensuring passenger safety, creating a fun atmosphere for passengers, and performing assigned duties efficiency. A competitive salary reflecting my experience and skills, comprehensive health insurance, paid time off, opportunities for professional development such as workshop and advanced training, and potential for bonuses based on performance and passenger satisfactions. Extensive knowledge of cruise ship operations, safety regulations, and customer service protocols, proficiency in at least one foreign language, unwavering dedication, boundless creativity, remarkable resilience in overcoming challenges, exceptional adaptability to diverse environments and situations, and outstanding communication skills to connect with a wide range of passengers from different cultural backgrounds. Through rigorous training, gaining relevant certifications, and networking within the cruise industry. Access to training programs, networking opportunities, and relevant certifications, a strong support network. Within the next 3 to 5 years, with a strong focus on achieving initial success within the first 2 years. Securing a permanent contract with a prestigious cruise line, constantly receiving positive passengers' reviews and feedback, achieving high rating in performance evaluation, and receiving recognition for outstanding contribution to the onboard entertainment program. I, Galassi Sam Angela G. My motto in life is, smooth seas do not make us skillful sailors.